how to fix Instagram camera not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram camera not working on your phone. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the step 1. That is to restart the Instagram app. So first, close the Instagram app completely from the recent apps menu, and after that you can simply open the app again and check if the camera is working. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to check the camera permission. So here what you can do is close the Instagram app and open the settings app. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. Now here, tap on manage apps. And now on the next section, you'll see the list of all the apps that are currently installed on your device. So from here, what you can do is just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for Instagram app. Now here, just tap on Instagram. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and tap on app permission. And here, make sure that the camera permission is turned on so that Instagram can access your camera. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your phone. So sometimes the issue is temporary. So to fix that, what you can do is simply restart your phone. And once you're done restarting your phone, you can open the Instagram app again. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to clear app cache. So here what you can do is open the settings app again, and from here you can just scroll down and tap on apps. Now here you can just tap on manage apps, and now here in this section you can just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the Instagram app and tap on it. And now here in this section, you can just tap on clear data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm your action by tapping on OK. And here, once you do that, it will remove the temporary files and box that might be causing the problem. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to update the app. So here what you can do is simply open the Google Play Store, and now here once you're inside it, you can simply search for the Instagram app, and there if you find any update button, then you can simply tap on it to update the app to the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 6, that is to reinstall the Instagram app. So if the camera is still not working, then what you can do is you can simply uninstall the Instagram app, and after that you can simply reinstall it again from the Play Store, and this will fix most app related bugs. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.